Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Alex Garman, and today I'm going to show you how to use a single synth preset to build suspense in your metal productions at home. Okay, as you can see, it's building a lot of suspense. You're hearing like that upper frequency texture kind of lift the song a little bit. So let's see here. We're gonna pull up an instance of Serum. So we've got our modulation magic preset. Okay, I'm gonna unmute this. And by the way, guys, if you do like this preset's one that we included with our free Serum preset pack. If you wanna follow along with me in this video, click the link in the description to download. I'm gonna start by pulling up an instance of Serum just to kind of show you guys how I started with this. So this preset in particular is called Modulation Magic because when it's all the way wet on your modulation knob, it has all these awesome effects that are baked into the preset. I mean, there are awesome flangers, that hyper dimension, the reverb, the filter. So it's gonna have all that awesome dreamy stuff that, you know, builds a lot of suspense. So yeah, that's the like granular sound of the synth without it being modulated. So I'm gonna go here and I'm just gonna punch in some modulation. I wanna make sure it's before the first note hits. Okay, so let's see if we got it. Okay, so you can see that it's obviously working. Let's hear it as is. It's gonna be a little exaggerated because it's at max volume. The goal is to fade it in to go into the chorus. So let's see what it sounds like. Okay, so that's cool, but it feels like it's too much at once. So let's go ahead and render this down, and then we're actually gonna fade it up into the chorus. So I'm gonna go ahead and render this now. We just wanna keep it on the channel settings. All right, so now that we have that rendered down, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start very beginning here and trim that off since we're starting on the verse. And then all I'm gonna do is look to where my chorus starts, and then we're gonna just do a simple fade in straight into the chorus. So let's hear what that sounds like. Yeah, it just kind of lifts everything a little more, builds a little more tension. This is just a basic trick I use in my songwriting to fill space using a single synth. We'll be going over more techniques in the future, so stay tuned. We're excited to announce that we just released 100 presets for Serum. They have a lot of cool textures like the Serum preset in this song. If you want to check that out, the link will be in the description below.
If this video helped you out and gave you a better idea of how to build more suspense in your metal productions at home, please like this video and subscribe to our channels. Also, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and we'll be sure to answer. Thanks for watching and happy songwriting.